So regarding NGL app, so some of my viewers on YouTube write this that like you can't use the old username; it automatically creates a new account. Well, I don't know. Like it just depends in which situations. In my experience, when I deleted NGL app and I still had my Instagram app installed with the same account, and I opened up NGL app, it's just automatically logged in into the same account. But I guess if you just go into the settings and then if you tap delete account, I guess you won't be able to get same username on NGL app. I guess then it will just create a new username for you. So as I understand, that's maybe that, or maybe if you're opening NGL app on new phone, I don't know completely what will happen. Even if you didn't delete your account and you still have your Instagram app. So I'm just a bit confused what might happen there. So there you have it.